30th birthday, and we are going somewhere. She has planned something, so we're going somewhere. We're gonna drop her off somewhere, and then we're gonna have some alone time somewhere, doing something. I should probably fill you in on what happened with my van. I had an appointment to have some things fixed that were not fixed 2 weeks ago, and when I got to the shop, I parked outside of it, and my appointment was for the morning. Morning came, and I went to pull into the parking lot of the shop, and I couldn't move. My transmission wasn't working, so they came out and checked the fluid. The fluid was completely empty, and they added like 2 quarts, and it just like poured right out the bottom. I guess the engine block cut one of the transmission lines, so they were able to fix that, and they were not able to fix any of the other things that I initially brought it in for. So now I'm at $1,500 for the last 2 weeks, and I am not anywhere different than I was 2 weeks ago. It stalled on me yesterday. Do you have anything to add? Let's talk about sandwiches.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just kidding.
It's Aquarius season. You know what that means?
No, I don't. What does it mean?
You just know you're an Aquarius.
No.
Someone knows.
No, they don't. I think they do, but they're full of shit. Bye. Allie's mom got us this wine, and look at Pessimist, and they're so bummed out by this birthday wine. We're gonna go to a fancy vegan restaurant. Someone didn't tell me that we were going to a fancy vegan restaurant, so I did not bring any fancy clothes, but I don't actually own any, so I couldn't have even if I wanted to. So I'm rolling up in this, but we're gonna crack into this wine.
It's good. It's vegan.
If you didn't know what makes wine not vegan, fish bladders. They use fish bladders to filter wine. It's gross. All right, let's crack this bad boy.
Are you doing it?
Mm-hmm. How do you not know how to? You're a wine person.
I do the other one. I'll pour.
It's a healthy pour.
You only turn 40 once.
You have to.
What do you think? Feeling pessimistic?
It's a oaky afterbirth.
My judgment of it is it's really good for the price that it is.
It's free, so it's great for that price.
Happy birthday!
My shirt options are worse than I thought. So there's this little number. There's one that says, I don't give a fuck. A Bruin shirt. That says Soy Boy 69 on the back. Or this one that's about police violence. Which one?
Not the soy boy one, just because it says 69 on the back.
That's the one I was.
You're gonna pick the 16 pit?
Guess so what?
You don't give a fuck.
No. So it's gonna be this with that.
I push button up.
No, because we're leaving right now, so I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna go. It's a new day number 2 of the celebration, and we are on our way to, what is it?
The Sea Ranger.
The Sea Ranger for some breakfast food. And then we're going to go to the world's largest outdoor bookstore and possibly some other adventures.
Ooh.
He's a wild driver.
I drive like a normal person. Not old. We should go to the mission.
Is that for old people? Like what does that come into mind after saying that I'm old? What is the mission?
It's like when the people came over and were spreading
I thought it was like
religion.
we need to do the mission.
Set up the mission. Oh
we
no.
We have a secret mission.
No, but-
Mission Impossible.
I was being sarcastic because that's like the least likely thing that you'd want to do.
Oh. I mean, if it was a secret mission, I'd be up for that, but okay, no. Would you like to tell us what we're about to eat?
Is beans and rice and chilaquiles, and that's a country fried steak and gravy with fried egg and hash browns, and then toast and hot sauce and coffee.
Yum. This egg is what I'm really curious about. Let's see what we got.
It looks like there's like a yolk.
Yeah, there's a yolk. Yeah,
What did you taste it?
not much. I think it needs black salt. And it's probably better like in a sandwich. But it's interesting. Here's a steak with gravy. There's some salt, but other than that, it's good.
What's your answer to everything?